Okay, so these are the instructions for your extra fun packet. Some of you probably have went ahead, but just in case you had any questions about them, I'm going to review. So you should have been able to read this Rebus Reader, Have You Seen Green? So I'm going to skip over that, but here are the instructions for this. What would you keep at the end of the rainbow? Draw it in the cloud. Color the rainbow, then complete the sentence. Okay, so I don't know, me probably coffee. I would keep coffee at the end of the rainbow, and then I would draw those. If you don't have an indigo in your box, which a lot of you don't, just maybe like color purple and then color it blue, and that'll make a nice dark blue for you. All right, this is a mystery picture, and we haven't done too many of those. That's really a last 9 weeks type of activity, and I thought, gosh, this would be really fun. And it's also for St. Patrick's Day, which was earlier this week. So what you do is you look over here and you find the word and it says to color it white. So I'll just leave those white. But then here it says away, color it light blue. So I don't really have a light blue, so I'll just use turquoise, and I will find some aways and color those, and eventually a picture will appear. You can, I mean, if you had a light blue at home, that's fine. You could have, you know, done it with markers or colored pencils or whatever. And you would find all the aways. I'm not going to spend all my time doing that, but you would just go down here and use the key, figure out what it is, and then find out what the mystery picture is. Okay. Here, practice those numbers, so filling in the blanks. So, you know, you would count 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is already written, and so on and so forth until you get to 100. That's pretty fun. And it feels good when you know how to do it, right? And then here is a magazine. You might need a little bit of help. Some of you might not, but some of you might need a little bit of help reading this. So you'd read the story, or not story, but the magazine article about frogs. And then you're going to answer some questions over here. It says read the chart, then circle the correct answers. And then, you know, you're looking at the chart and it says, which did the frog eat on Tuesday? So you'd go to Tuesday. Oh, it's the yellow snake. And then you would circle that answer. All right. And then which did the frog eat on Friday? Okay, let's see. Oop, he ate that and that. Okay. And so on and so forth. Okay. And then over here, let's see. Use your magazine, this one, to help answer the questions. So you could do that and then color the frogs. And then here's some fun things. You could color a pig and then describe what a pig is or what it becomes when it's done being a pig, or, you know, what you would like, how you would describe a pig if you met him. Here's a cut and paste. So I would just cut right here and then use it to label the parts of a pig. So the nose of a pig is not a nose, it's a snout. Okay, and then ear, and then that's a leg. That's the body, and what's that? Tail. And so cut and paste that. And then here we have some digraph CK words. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to staple it that way. So, you know, whatever. You can first trace the word, write the word, and then find the picture that shows what the word means. So cut and paste that. And there you go. That's the fun learning packet for this week.